Welcome to VoroMotors. Today we'll be showing you how to install the steering damper on the Dualtron Storm. Let's go. For this task, you're going to need your Allen key tool set. You will also need a steering damper. For safety reasons, we recommend you also using gloves. Inside the box, we have the steering damper, the 2 mounting points, as well as a bag full of screws and the tow handle. In order to get access to these 2 screws, we recommend taking the battery out and putting it to the side. So now, you're going to unscrew these 2 screws with your 4mm Allen key. Now, you're going to take your larger mounting piece and line it up with these 2 screw holes. Instead of using the original smaller screw, we're going to use this larger screw to secure the mounting bracket. There are 2 screws in here that are very similar, so be sure to use the smaller one when installing the front mount. And be sure to have the VoroMotors logo facing up. So now we're going to be installing the steering damper, and in order to do that correctly, we're going to have this piece facing the front of the scooter. Take the longer screw and metal buffer for the front mounting point. Place the screw through the hole and then place the buffer between the other end and the mounting point. With a 5mm Allen key, screw in until secure. Take the shorter screw and metal buffer for the rear mounting point. Place the screw through first and then place the buffer on and screw it in. Once you have both ends secured, you can adjust this piece until you have your desired turning radius. In order to change the firmness of the steering damper, just turn the red knob either clockwise to add resistance or counterclockwise to reduce the resistance. One thing you may notice while turning the steering column is the movement of the base plate. Don't worry, this is normal, but if you want to reduce the movement of that base plate, you can tighten these 2 screws on the base plate or turn this red knob counterclockwise to reduce the resistance. If you wish to install accessories like our VoroMotors LED headlights, you can install this tow handle to the front mounting point. Once you have everything installed, you're ready to use your steering damper on the road. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it very helpful. Please reach out to our support team with any questions you may have. If you have any requests for Dualtron tutorials, please make sure to leave those in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching.
When you get a Dualtron scooter from us, you get access to awesome benefits. You get 10% off Dualtron accessories and spare parts, a dedicated customer support team member's help whenever you need it, plus you get access to approved modification tutorials that don't void your warranty. For full details, check out our Dualtron Insider page today. Do you have any questions? Please leave them below this video or head over to one of our Facebook groups. You can find all these links in the description below. Thank you for watching.